How to get $100 Uber Eats promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Uber Eats promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Uber Eats. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Coupon Follow. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. Just scroll down and check out the offers: 25% off, $30 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on Redeem at Uber Eats. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website of it, log into your account, make your order, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're gonna find this section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for Uber Eats. So this way you can easily get $100 working promo code for Uber Eats. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.